We'll guide you through how to integrate Wix and Shopify seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to head over to the Wix app market, which you can find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. In the search bar, type Shopify to locate the official Shopify app. Click on it, then hit the Add to Site button to start the installation process. After it's installed, you'll need to go through a few steps to connect your Shopify account. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, you can create one by following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to allow Wix to access your Shopify store. Make sure to grant these permissions by clicking Allow so that your Wix site can communicate with Shopify. Next, you'll want to configure your product settings. Go to the Settings tab in the Shopify app on Wix, where you can select which products or collections you want to display on your Wix site. It's a good idea to organize your products in Shopify before syncing, so everything looks neat on your Wix page. After you've selected the products, save your changes. Then, head back to your Wix editor. Here, you can drag and drop the Shopify element onto any page on your site. This is how you can showcase your Shopify store directly on your Wix site. Make sure to preview your site to see how it looks, and make any necessary adjustments to the layout or design. This integration lets you enjoy the best of both platforms, allowing you to use Wix's design capabilities with Shopify's robust e-commerce features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.